Hello friends, loyal friends, and I'm going to say hello to haters as well, because apparently we got a few haters out there, and you know I love reading your little comments. Don't worry me, carry on lads, carry on. We're going to do part 3 of the scooter. The lambretta. I've got a lambretta. What was that called? When I get my moped out on the road, I'm gonna ride, ride, ride. When I get my moped out on the road, I'm gonna ride, ride, ride. Jasper Carrot. We got to make a bumper to go around there. It's sort of a funny looking thing, you know what I mean? A funny looking thing. So we gotta fabricate that. Fabricate. Bit early in a freaking morning for words like that, isn't it? Morning has broken like the first morning. Blackbirds have spoken. I'm gonna nibble this with a nibbler. Which is plugged in. Somebody said you ought to wear goggles when you're disc cutting. Goggles. How the hell am I going to do this, lads? No idea, but we're going to do it. I know you, Robbie. We're going to do it somehow. Right, we want it at least as wide as a forks, don't we? Which is there. So that's going to be bent down like that, and then we got at least to there. see, that's got to be the worst drawing I've ever done in my life. Yeah, that look anything like it? Fucking hell. You see what happens if you take drugs when you're young. So stay off the drugs, kids. Let's have a go at panel beating. Me and Jason had a hater. Call me a can I swear this? What time is it? Huh? Talking to my producer. He called me a flacking old man. He called me a flacking old man. How dare he? And he called Jason another flacking old man. So he obviously watches the both of us. You little flacker, you little flacker. I don't know. Well, I do actually, but it's so funny, you know. It's so funny. Ooh, I could have choked your chicken. There's a lot of people trying to choke my chicken lately, I'm telling you. I don't like you. Hey. Robert the Red-Nosed Ranter. You'll go down in history. I rant all day and I don't give a tuck. He's a ranter. You don't give a tucker. If you shine it, you can see where your hammer marks are then, and you can try and get some of them out, but I cannot find, for the love of me. Wait there, I'm telling lies. It's broke, but I can do it. That's my proper hammer. Then you go after them little dents, you know. And you'll get most of them out, like that. Something like that. That's the angle of this, I don't know what they called it. I believe, because it was a wing guard, wasn't it really? It was there to like keep your legs lovely and warm when you're doing like 35 miles an hour, you know what I mean? Right there, you're going to scratch my eyeball. Big thanks to all the new subscribers. I appreciate you popping in. It's not every day you get to see an idiot, is it really? Who's that? Go to the back of the class. Man. Oh, fucking do. You need hands that do dishes. Okay, it's a little horseshoe there. That's going to go in there like that. Right, stay there. I'll be back in a jiff. I'll be back in a jiffy bag. Oh, shut that door. I want that to go in there like that. Then we're going to, I don't know, but we're going to do some fucking thing. I can live with that. I can live with that. That's fucking still too short. What are you taking today then? Oh, I don't know. I think Jason drugged my coffee over there. I've been over Jason's, just come back. Well, I've been on a job, then I popped into Jason's, and then I just come back. What's that? 15 and a bit. That's about 15 and a bit, right? We'll cut it out. Fucking dog at you again. I told it, keep the dog in. That one is slightly, it's a fucking nuts ball, but it's going to wind me up. Like that. Ah, man. So you want about 6 of them. But that's giving you a good chunk of steel to get onto. Right, that's 6 for a start. I can just hold that on air now. And buzz it on. I'm happy with that. Robbie's fucking happy. Right, what we're going to start doing now, we're going to get 2 exactly the fucking same size. They're obviously too long, are they? Yeah, we want to take that to about there. So nip that off there. Right, and then we'll weld 2 at a time. Yeah, I'm in a pivot today. My wife went into hospital this morning for a knee operation. So it's probably affecting me in some way, I suppose. I don't know. Get that in the middle. I like that there, actually. I can get that there. That's going there. I like that. Don't take much to please me there. Oh, they can stay there. Right, we want two little side ones now down there, off the rack. We'll have two upskirters. In fact, I only told when an upskirter was a couple of months ago, because I didn't know what an upskirter was. Used to have mirrors right down on the bottom, down there, you know, can you see down there, two mirrors down there either side, for when you're giving the girls a lift, you can see up their skirt, called upskirters. My friend told me that the other day, and I said, well, and there I was thinking I was the bestest mod in the world, and I didn't have a fucking clue. Upskirters. Well. I used to hang around with a gang of fucking perverts. Right, let's put an upskirter on. Which is going by there. We got a little bit more of this tube. We'll make a couple of spotlights out of that. I was hoping to finish this today, but I don't think I will. Look at the fucking blurriness on that camera. Focus, you little fucking piece of fucking shower. Oh, if you go to there, look, see? Go to there. Perfect. Well, this, well, we're practicing, let's have a look. See? Look. It's funny that happened to my other camera. Another one of my throw it in the bin jobs. I've focused now on it. Right, let's work this out if you don't mind a minute. That is inch plus a fold around. So inch. Give me that. Give me that. Give me that. Give me. Right, there's my triangle-y thing. I know what you're going to say. Am I on fucking drugs? Right, where's that fucking... Put it in your pocket. We're going to wrap that around there. I don't know how the hell you're going to do this, but... ours is not the reason why, is it? Has anybody here seen a whole fucking filler? I'm just never going to learn, am I? How much of that can you see when it's on there? About that much. So if we go from here to there now, give us a pencil, lads. So middle of that, no, just in the middle. And we're going to curve it out like that to 15. So just in the middle, curved out 15. It sounds technical. Bend it, shape it any way you want it. So what we got a headlight inhaler. We got a pile of snot on there which I've just blown through, as you obviously heard me shouting and screaming. That bit gotta be flat there. And this bit gotta be rounded. And then we're going to roll that over the handlebar. Oh yes, we fucking now. You see what I'm trying to do? I'm curving it that way, that way, that way and that way. Which is alright to do. you know, you can do it, but the object of the thing now is whenever I put that last bit of welding rod I had about the place there, I'm going to roll that over the welding rod. So don't ask me how I'm fucking going to do that. In fact, let's just put that in there, right? As I said, it's quite hard actually. Right, now cut them bits off now. So I've rolled it over now, and so I've got that sort of shape, which is not far off, is it? Come on, be honest. That should fit on there with vengeance. Like it don't want to ever come off. Obviously it fucking won't, because... Right, welder, do us a favour and fucking weld without fucking about ya. That sounded interested. I'll give you 2 and I'll give you 3. Right, that's good, because we're not going to work we're not going to worry about that much, because 2 mirrors up there and we're having a windscreen by there, so we're not. So we need these mirrors are going to be cut round, but they're going to actually be oblong. Hey man, why you do me oblong? Because I want you oblong, you know, like that, something like that. And then you have 2 little things off there like that, holding a windscreen on. If I remember, some of the windscreens used to wrap right around there, just hold it steady. But we're not doing all that shite, because I can see your faces and you're saying, fucking hell, is this going to take much longer? Yeah man. 3 fucking videos to do a scooter. See, that sounded nice. Give it a good beat in. Chuck it in the water. In the water. I'm thinking about calling it a day, folks. But you're not going to know that, because I'll cut that bit out, alright? Right, that's this windscreen on. Let me bring that off now. Right, we're going to shut you off a couple of seconds, because I'm sure that's not in focus now. Let's see. There. And there's nothing you can do about it. It seems to be right there. You go past there. Oh look, that's not so bad. If I could move back 100 fucking foot. This is my Maserati-ons. Ba la 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 la. And they're going on there like that. Well, that's it, lads. That's the I've done the air-ons. I done a foot brake. Don't know if that's on the right side. I can't remember. That would have been a clutch. That would have been a front brake. Yeah, you can't. I've done a little back rack on it just to strengthen up this tail, and that is about it. I'm gonna take it upstairs and into the office and do a couple more photos for you. I'm quite happy with the outcome.
Alright, I apologise. I'm really, really sorry. I apologise unreservedly. I offer a complete and utter retraction. The imputation was totally without basis in fact and was in no way fair comment.